guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is how to manage time as a student. Now I am a full-time college student and I manage my time quite well and effectively. So I wanted to share some tips with you so that you can achieve what I am doing right now. And also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. So thank you so much for watching. Let's get started. So the very first tip is to keep a track of your time. So you won't know where your time is being wasted if you don't have a track of it. So for this, I recommend this app called Clockify. I actually saw this in Ellen Kelly's video and it is very helpful. So what you can do on this app is you can take notes of where you have put your time into. So for example, if I have spent 2 hours of my time watching YouTube, then I can write it on there and you can see this pie chart. This is basically the report that you have. It will be very helpful. And once you have that, you can also set screen time on your devices which you're using. So your mobile, your iPads, your laptops, everywhere. You can just put this, and you can also set a reminder for your daily Instagram use. I use 3 hours of Instagram on an average, so it's a lot. And for a teenager like myself and you, it's a lot. So you can do this and it will basically help you out. Next tip is to schedule your day and set goals. Now you have to set your priorities. You have to set what you want throughout your day, and if you have that already organized with you, it's going to be so much simple. And just keeping track and planning everything out is something that works for me. If it doesn't work for you, you can try something else out. But if you're a planner like myself, then you can test this one out. And you can also check your personality type online. It's very helpful for these situations because you know what you can do and where you can improve better. Unrelated, but I'm an INTJ, so let me know what you are in the comment box below. Now the third tip is to get rid of all of the distractions. So basically eliminate the distraction, put your phone away, and it's going to be so helpful. Just clean up your desk. A nice and organized space is so good. Next one is to have some study motivation. Now I know this can be hard to find, therefore I have a lot of study videos which can help you get motivated. So what I do is I study with the Pomodoro technique, and the Pomodoro technique is basically setting 25 minutes timers and taking a 5 minutes break and doing that again and again until how long you want it to be. And you can also use some study blocks for some motivation. I have, and I use some too, so this is very helpful. Are you preparing for CAT? Then you're in the right place. Unacademy has launched new batches for CAT 2021. While choosing an academy, you not only get access to Plus subscription, but also 24/7 doubt solving support, structured courses and PDFs, live quizzes, and more. You can choose the Plus subscription or the Iconic subscription. If you choose the Iconic subscription, you also get access to live mentorship programs where graduates from top business schools will help you and guide you. Unacademy also has branded notes which you can avail on the platform by following the steps right here on the screen. So chase your dream to excel at CAT 2021. If you're looking for financial assistance, then you can go in the link in my description box below and also sign up for the scholarship test that Unacademy has going on. So go to Unacademy and use my code Samriddhi Awasthi for a 10% off of the Plus or Iconic subscription, or sign up for the free scholarship test. Thank you so much to Unacademy for sponsoring this video, and let's move ahead. Now the next step is to take proper breaks. Everyone gets tired, and if you don't get tired, well, let me tell you, you're not human, because humans do get tired. We're not machines. So just relax, take break, and just take deep breaths. Just relax. The next step is the biggest one. It is to quit multitasking. Now every student, be it college student, school student, we all try to multitask because we think that's what the right way is to study. But let me tell you, no, it's not. It doesn't get your work done. It's just a distraction. And if you watching Elite and doing your homework, then no, don't do that, because I'll only be watching Elite and not doing my homework. So just stop doing this. If you're watching TV and doing your homework, it's not good. Stop doing that, or stop multitasking in general. It's not good, and it'll just distract you from the original task. tip is to start your assignments early. As soon as I get an assignment or homework, I start working on it, because as soon as you complete it, you have it off your mind and off your checklist. It is very, very effective, and if you try this, it will be life-changing, trust me. The next step is to keep your to-do list short. If your to-do list is short, then it'll make you more motivated to complete the tasks on the list. So the short way is the right way to go this time. Next step will change your life. It's to wake up early. I have been doing this for a while now because my classes mostly are over, that's why I'm taking a little bit of break and waking up a little later. But I used to wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning, and it was so good. It literally felt so good. My body felt so great, and I just felt so relaxed and just like productive throughout the day, because if you start your day early, then you have so much time left and it just feels great. So if you can, then try to wake up early and it'll just feel great. Just trust me on this one. You can also play with your dogs if you want to. The last one is to get proper night's sleep. Now, it is so important to sleep properly. Waking up early doesn't mean that you have to only sleep for 5 hours. No, at least sleep for 8 hours. It's very important to sleep for 8 hours, even for us teenagers, because we take so much of stress onto ourselves. We don't just have the stress of school, we have the stress of social media as well, which is like crazy, but other things. So just take a good night's sleep, relax. You can also watch some ASMR videos. By the way, this is one of my older clips. So that's all. So that was all for this video, guys. I really hope you all like it. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. Also, this is the last call for the giveaway, which is going to end on Saturday. So this Saturday the giveaway is going to end. This is the last time that you can enter. So if you want to, then make sure you do, and subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, follow me on my Instagram and Twitter, and I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye.